Brum pa bum pa bum bum bum, bum pa bum pa bum bum, brum pa bum pa bum bum bum, bum pa bum pa bum bum.
Hi. Oh my gosh. Ta-da. But look like this again. Oh my gosh. English version! Gosh, okay. See the people. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So there's a lot. So it's lots like that. So yeah. There's a lot. Oh no. Okay, not really. Okay, from here. This one first. Okay, this is trading card. Like trading cards. Wait. Trading cards, right? Yeah, trading card. Yeah, this one trading card. Correct. It's a random cards that you get of them. There's total, I don't know how many, but it's a lot. Then like I think each 5, so 6, 5, 10, 15, 6 people, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. My math's wrong. Okay, but yeah, I'm so rare that I got my bias a lot, but this is not my bias. This is you. This is also you. That's his stage name, you. Okay, I'm so sorry. You guys don't. Wait, is it you or is it Hyun? Yan? I forget your name. Leon. Okay, but yeah, I think it's you. Yeah, but it's also Hyun. Okay, I'm. They all sometimes do. Wait, no, this is not you. This is Hyun. Yan. Okay. So this is Asian. Obviously, I know my bias. I love all of them. Don't hate me. I love all of them. So yeah, I'm so lucky that I got all 3 of In-song. Asian. Especially this. I love this so much. Yeah. So yeah. I love this. I love this. I love this. I can really put here. So yeah, this one the plastic. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, the reason why I left this because I want to like this one put the whole pack there because this is AR cards. So can see that AR. So I love these AR cards because all of them is inside. So now is a Korean version, like bro. Don't tell me it's Japanese version. But yeah, is it live contact? I don't know how to use, but I'm gonna like yeah, it's Korean version. So. But you see, oh my gosh, Ishan, the first one. Okay, I put that just now. I already saw, so yeah. And then this is, and then MK, Wyatt. This is MK. Oh, yeah. Oh, I messed up their names again. I always messed up names. So yeah, this is you. This is you. So yeah, this is who else do I miss? I'm not on and off fan. I'm so sorry. I'm not face. Just kidding. No, I am. I love them. I love them. All of them. All of them. All of them. Okay. This one, I think, put inside here. Behind there's a name or not? Oh, I'm so stupid. Behind there's a name. So okay. This is Ishan. This is this one. This is yeah. Jin. I'm correct. Okay. This is I'm so sorry. Wyatt. Okay, this is Wyatt. Yes. Wyatt. Stop being sexy, please. So wait. This is MK. Okay. And this is you. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is official. Okay, I love this the most because okay, this is a bracelet. Each member designed their own quote of the bracelet. So it's a short letter lah sometimes. So yeah, it's not long, but yeah, but the meaning is really deep. So that one letter that I like. I wanted all, but I'm too broke, so I just gonna take my bias instead. So yeah, my bias. Okay, by the way, this one is the official B1A4 ring. It's supposed to be in my hand, but it's too, like, as you see, it's too big. Like, bro. And now I made it a necklace, and I know it's so not know. So that's about it lah. I buy. There's a hoodie and there's other stuff. I can't recall what is it, but I know there's a light stick holder, like light stick bag of them, and the light stick obviously, and then yeah, and the hoodie. That's all I can recall lah. But the rest is just the normal typical fan that they have. Oh, I think they have mugs also. Mug. So yeah. Okay, that's about it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.